If you like cupcakes, home DIYs, and a personal challenge, then keep watching. I love open collabs because they're a great way to meet other YouTubers, and our subscribers get to see a whole bunch of really amazing ideas all in one playlist. I do these collabs every season, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn that bell on so that you know when the next challenge shows up. For this challenge, I've asked Lisa Burningham to be my co-host. Lisa does some amazing home DIYs and entertaining types of videos over on her channel. I just love how she puts so much effort into her gorgeous designs. So make sure to check her channel out. I will make sure to link that in the description box below. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, thank you so much for being my new friend. I'm Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer. So I love being creative in every part of life. That's why I like to share ways for you to be creative in your home. I do easy home DIYs, cupcakes, and fashion, so make sure to subscribe if you want to join in on all the creative fun. Now, depending on if you like to bake or if you're more of a DIYer, I have two options for you to participate in this challenge. Option 1, you can use cupcakes as the canvas for your creativity. Choose a flavor that reminds you of spring, or you can decorate them with a springtime theme. If you're religious, maybe you want to focus on Easter, and you could definitely do that. Or if you think of spring as being flowers and bunnies, then you could go that direction. Or maybe spring makes you think of vacations and spring break. It's totally up to you. Option 2. If you really don't want to even bake any cupcakes, or you just don't like baking, then you could buy some pre-made ones and focus on the cupcake stand or the display or plate or whatever creative way that you want to display those cupcakes. There just has to be some cupcakes in the big reveal somehow. And if they're store-bought, this is a judge-free zone, so just do what you gotta do. If you're feeling really motivated, you could go all out by decorating your own cupcakes and then making a DIY stand and then have just this whole cupcake display, and we'll all be in awe of your creativity. The point of this playlist is to be spring cupcake inspiration for all of our subscribers who are putting together some cupcakes for a party or a spring get-together, and they'll find this playlist and have all kinds of ideas in one place. So here are the very easy rules for entry into this very special spring cupcake art gallery. I will also have these listed in the description box below, so you can reference them later. 1. You can share spring-themed cupcakes or a spring cupcake display idea, or both. 2. Mention that this is part of the Spring Artsy Cupcake Challenge, and mention this in your video and in your title. 3. Mention our channels, Artsy Cupcake and Lisa Burningham, and make sure to link our channels in the description box of your video. 4. You'll want to link the playlist in your description box as well, and we'll provide a link for you to add to your video, and then you'll be able to add your video to the playlist on the day our videos go live. The link will be on my channel, Artsy Cupcake, and I'll put a little post in my community tab, so make sure you're subscribed and have the bell on so you'll know when that playlist goes up. Set your video to go live on Wednesday, March 25th at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you aren't on YouTube and you still want to participate in this challenge, then head over to Instagram and tag me at Artsy Cupcake 1 so we can all see your Instagram inspiration for spring cupcakes in one place. If you want to see the Valentine's Day playlist that had all kinds of yummy Valentine cupcakes and DIYs, then definitely check out this playlist that I'll have linked right here for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.